Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Today's video is my BeautyFix box from Dermstore. I will of course pop all of our details here. I hope everybody is well. I hope you had a safe and happy 4th. This is by I think like 5th month or so getting the BeautyFix by Dermstore. I'm having a really good time with this particular subscription. I feel like it's definitely more skin focused, hence Dermstore BeautyFix, but I am a fan of skincare, so I enjoy the box thus far. We do get some really prestige, like premium brands in here, which I also appreciate. And before we dive in, please don't forget to subscribe. You can also hype my videos, you can share the videos out, and of course subscribing is free and it helps me out so much. Alrighty, it is always packaged beautifully, which I also appreciate. First up, we have the Ameliorate. Hopefully I'm saying that right. The exfoliating body mitt. Ooh, that sounds awesome. With unique fabric weave, specialist skincare for bumpy skin, very dry skin, rough skin, or ingrown hairs. Intensive smoothing exfoliator. That sounds awesome. If you've tested anything in here, definitely comment down below and let us know. I'd also like to know what some of your favorite skincare brands are. Comment down below and let us know. Next up, we have the Sacha the Ocean Mist Volume Shampoo. This is a 30 ml. That also sounds really nice. Next up, we have the, Neulastin. Okay, we have the Neulastin Hair, the New Protect Leave-In Primer. This is a full size, and that is a pretty big size too. I'm really intrigued by this. Next up, we have the Avene, the Eau Thermale, the Hyaluron Active B3 Renewal Firming Cream. That is, they can shorten these names in these products. I'm just saying, y'all. Next up, we have the Dr. Loretta, the Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen with Indian Ginseng. That also sounds really nice, and you guys know I am a huge fan and an advocate for sunscreen, sun protection, things like that. I equate that to looking and feeling great in my skin at 47 years old. Next up, one of my favorite brands, talk about them all the time, La Roche-Posay. This is the SPF Broad Spectrum 50, the Anthelios Control Daily Invisible Sunscreen. I have definitely tried this in the past. We are going on vacation soon, so I'm actually probably going to take both of these with me. I've been kind of collecting all my little more like sample items and stuff like that through my subscription boxes so I can take them on vacation. And then next up, I love that we're getting 3 of these so we can discover what shade we may need. This is the Herborian, the CC Creme, the Color Correcting Cream. Light coverage, luminous, and a natural finish with an SPF of 25, also important to me. It unifies, hydrates, and protects. They actually sent us the fair, the medium, and the bronze, which I super appreciate. And I am currently using the Herborian in the green for the redness. And as you guys know, generally during the summertime, I really take a less is more approach, much more than usual. And I've just been patting that on and then putting a little bit of powder on top, doing brows and something on my lips. We're actually going to the movies and stuff today, so I did a little bit more of a makeup look for today. But yeah, I'm intrigued by this. I feel like I had tried this in the past, perhaps, but maybe I didn't. I'm assuming I'd be closer to like the medium range. But I love that if you got this, I think more subscription services should do this. If they're going to give us a complexion product, they should put a few choices in there. So I love that. Breaking that down quickly again, we have the Herborian CC Cream. We ended up getting 3 different shades. I'm so excited about this, you guys. We've got our Hyaluron Active B3 from Avene. We got our La Roche-Posay, the Anthelios UV Control. We got the Sacha, the Ocean Mist Volume Shampoo. We got a full size of the Neulastin Hair, the New Protect Leave-In Primer. We got our Dr. Loretta, the Urban Antioxidant Sunscreen with Indian Ginseng. And then the Ameliorate, the Exfoliating Body Mitt. I am intrigued as heck by this. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 5 again. I think it is a wonderful selection, a great variety of products, and products that are specified. I say this all the time. If I'm getting a box in the summer, I want summer geared items, and I definitely think they nailed it with that. I'd like to know what you guys thought. What are some of your favorite skincare products? What are some of your favorite subscription services? Have you never gotten a subscription service before? If you could create your own, I wonder what you'd put in it. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can hype my videos. You can share my videos out. You can tap the bell so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.